Hi, I'm Marna, and you might hear some scurrying going on. This is our typical time for our kitten and our puppy, who are actually 2 years old, to play. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have Happy Mail from Jerry at the Happy Hoarder. I'm very excited to open it. If you don't know Jerry's channel, the Happy Hoarder, you might want to go take a look. She's fun and she's funny and she is above talented. She is actually an art teacher, and she even has videos where she tries to give tutorials to people like me that just don't get it. No, seriously, she has some amazing creative ideas. She doesn't just do the art, she creates the art. She can look at a piece of junk in a thrift store, which she does a lot of thrifting, and she has a favorite one. And I love the line, if the Lord meant for me to have it, I'll find it at Rolling Hills. That's her thrift store. She's hilarious. She sent me a Happy Mail. Let's see what, oh wow, let's see what we got. Oh, Jerry. Orange, yellow and green. Makes me think Darren and I lived in Wisconsin for 9 years. We absolutely loved it there. Everything is green and yellow for the Packers. And that made, oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. She sent me a troll. This is actually, wow. This is a carnival troll. This is one that was made as a gift or a prize at a carnival. And these are very sought after because you can't find as many. And I love this. I'll save all that. Thank you so much. More packing. Let's just give this a little toss to the oblivion where I pick it up after. Oh, star earrings. Yes. My little Blythe named Nova and Moon are always looking for earrings like that. Thank you, Jerry. Very cool. This looks like fabric. Oh, I do love fabric. Oh, this is really cool. Always beside me, God cares for me. Oh, that is so true, and I just love that. That's the meaning of the rainbow right there in Genesis of the Bible, where God said he wouldn't flood us out again. And then there's this lovely fabric. I might need my glasses to read this one. Beautiful ride. Life is a beautiful ride. Yes, it is. On my bicycle. Darren and I are cyclists. The journey. It's the journey, not the destination. I have a plaque with a bicycle on it that has just that. I love that. And it's doll print size. And there is more. There's another package here. I love this juke rope. I will absolutely reuse this for a craft or a package wrap. Turn this. She does some fancy knots. Seriously, Jerry is quite clever. You will enjoy her channel. She does what she calls dead fairies. And she takes, look, she gave me hair for this one. She takes these skeletons and these wings, puts these on the back of the skeletons, and then she runs black paint over them. She has a tutorial on her channel, and if you like this sort of thing at Halloween, you will love, love, love that tutorial. And she was also saying that these fairy wings are very hard to find right now. She got these from the Dollar Tree, and I had to think if it was Dollar Tree or Dollar General, but you might check both. She was saying these are hard to come by right now because of the season, but if you hurry in, you might find some. Jerry, I can't thank you enough. This is a big deal. Oh, what a big deal. Thank you so much. Go see Jerry's channel. We'll have it in the link in the description. We'll put a link in the description below. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel, and they didn't scurry around too bad, my dog and my cat, did they? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.